born to oppose dark forces. Within your Harper's group, 4 classes stand ready for action. Rogues, who strike from the shadows. Clerics, who wield divine flames. Fighters, who excel in battle strategy. And wizards, who are book-smart spellcasters. Our journey begins at the Curious Past, a shop filled with artifacts and mystery. Your journey begins now. Step forward, adventurers.
You're late, and here I am, Lanale Star Shadow, far too patient for my own good. We don't have much time. Now, where did I hide the quest details? Oh, I wouldn't worry about that. She is gorgeous, though. Only the skilled can awaken the magic orb. You wizard, gently touch it and check if it answers you. Quick, quick. Oh, you have quite the ability. Xanathar, the evil crime lord, once again seeks to destroy the city of Waterdeep, this time with the dragon staff of Agorod. He has aligned with the powerful red dragon Seagon to remove the dragon ward barriers that prevent dragons from entering the city of Waterdeep. You, along with Rockery and Evelina, leaders of the local Harpers, must steal back the dragon staff from him. They'll be along shortly.
Radiating through you.
Well, this doesn't really seem very promising, does it? I only see a bunch of boxes.
There's cheese.
You know that's not helpful for our mission.
Hungry.
Hungry. You're always hungry.
Hey, Evelina! Any luck finding the rod of absorption?
I don't see it anywhere.
We got the rod of absorption. We will not be able to collect the dragon staff. She took the There we go. That actually
Mortals, the dragon ward no longer protects your city.
Alright, stay calm, everyone, and stay low.
Waterdeep will burn, and all of your treasure will now be mine.
fire behind you! I think we're gonna have to split the party.
Yeah, me too.
Now we're in a dungeon. We saw a dragon.
I know, you can never have a relaxing afternoon with you. It's always getting chased by dragons, getting locked in dungeons. What's up with that, huh?
I just like to have a little bit of fun.
Too much.
It did get pretty heated in there. Did you take that wand with you?
Yes, I think it's the wand of lightning bolts.
Oh, what, you gonna take that too?
No. Throw up, throw. Wait a minute. Look at those doors. I think we're near Xanathar's lair.
Fighters, are you detecting any evil creatures? Yeah. Behind you! Look out, Jesus! I'm not in the mood for any more mimic surprises. It's time for a thunder wave! It worked!
Great call. Okay, I think we can use that puzzle.
It's a puzzle.
Alright. Rose, they're shouting out colors. Everyone,
Colors?
check the walls.
I'm colorblind!
Colors, help me out.
What color is this?
Red, yellow.
Here. This one?
Green.
We did it! We did it!
Excellent.
All right, everyone, be very, very quiet.
Follow us silently into Xanathar's lair. That's not good.
Steal from Xanathar. No, no, no. deaths are quick. Slow!
Evie, you gotta wake up.
I'm not asleep. I'm
No.
just resting my
You're
eyes.
definitely falling asleep. You have to wake up.
It's fine. I'll be up already.
How do we keep her awake? Hush,
Just
little bit. No, that's the opposite. Stay up, wake up. So there we go. Look, you're standing tall. You're standing. No, wake up, Tieflin.
Oh, it's fine.
Goodness gracious.
We're good. I'll be up and ready to fight in one.
Let's wake the dead. Come on.
Woo! Spicy! Did we do it?
I got the dragon staff in my bag and got a bundle of sticks as well.
Foolish Throckery and Evelina! Did you really think you did this yourselves? It was I, Lale Star Shadow!
Whoa, this thing is alive!
Nothing can stop me now!
You can do it.
Welcome to the cult of the dragon!